Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing another tutorial. And you might be asking, what tutorial are we going to be doing? Well, the tutorial we're going to be doing is how to install Windows 2.0. So let's get started. And for those of you that somehow noticed that I changed my mouse cursor, yeah, I changed my mouse cursor. What are you going to do? Okay, anyways, we're going to create a new, well, you might be asking, what is a tutorial? Oh wait, I already said that. Anyways, let's create a new virtual machine. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a typical virtual machine. This should work in VirtualBox as well. But yeah, we're going to set this to other, and we're going to keep it as MS-DOS because yes. And we're going to call this Windows 2.0. Windows 2.0. Very nice. We're going to set this to 2 gigabytes. We're going to store it as a single file. We're going to click on next. And what we want to do is, first of all, we want to go to the CD drive, turn it off. We want to turn the network adapter off. And we want to grab floppy drive. So we're going to go to add, and then we're going to choose floppy drive right here. And then we're going to click on finish. And what we want to do is we want to use floppy image file. And I'll leave the links in the description for what we got to do. So we're going to go over to video projects because that's where I have them stored. In the upgrade saga, MS-DOS 5, disk 1. And the reason we're doing the MS-DOS 5 is because we need MS-DOS 5 first because, well, yeah, to install Windows 2.0 you need MS-DOS because Windows 2.0 is based off of MS-DOS. So that's the whole reason why we need MS-DOS installed. So let's get into this. Alright, so now we can start the virtual machine. We're going to start it, and I'm going to make this full stretch mode because yes. And as you can see, we are in the MS-DOS 5.0 setup wizard. So it says, welcome to setup. Setup prepares MS-DOS version 5.0 to run on your system. Each screen has basic instructions. Yeah, you don't have to read this, just press on enter. You can change these if you want. You can change the date and time. You can change the country, the keyboard, and and install to hard disk. Cause yeah, we don't want to install MS-DOS to a floppy disk, so we want to install it to a hard disk. Just choose these. This settings are correct. You can change this or this if you want. You don't really have to change that because that just uses your computer's time. So as you can see, these are a couple of options. Here you can change the directory. You can make this like C Windows, for example, but I don't advise you to do that. Just make it C DOS. And this is where you can choose to run the shell on startup. We're not going to do this because I don't want to run the shell because the shell can get pretty annoying. So yeah, we're going to choose the listed options are correct. And we're going to choose allocate all free hard disk space for MS-DOS. Now, this is going to create a FAT16 partition. So yeah, it's going to use a FAT16 partition. And the maximum size for a FAT16 partition is 2 gigabytes. So yeah, you're going to have a 2 gigabyte partition. So just press that and it will restart the virtual machine. And as you can see, you'll get to here and it will say insert the disk labeled MS-DOS 5.0 disk 2 into drive A. So yeah, all you want to do is you want to go to there and then you just want to, you know, insert the disk. So yeah, I'll be right back because I'm going to make this, you know, better. Alright, so we're back and now you can actually see everything else. So now we're going to put in disk 2. We're going to do OK and then we're going to just press enter. And then it will ask you for disk 3. So you want to do the same thing. You want to go over here. You want to go into your virtual machine settings. You want to go into disk 3. You want to choose disk 3 actually. Then you want to click OK and you want to press enter. And then now what you want to do is you want to remove the floppy disk. So what I'm going to do is remove all the devices, floppy, and I'm going to hit disconnect so that, you know, it doesn't connect. And then we're going to press enter. And then it should restart. There we go. So now if we type in ver, it will say the version, which is MS-DOS 5.0. And if we type in fdisk and we choose 4, you can see we have the partition. So that's really nice. And if we type dir/w, we have the command. So as you can see, those are the commands. So now what you want to do is you want to go to your Windows 1.0 disk. So I mean not your Windows 1.0 disk, your Windows 2.0 disk. So go to Windows 2.0 and there are a total of 9 disks So what you want to do is you want to insert disk 1, which is the setup disk. I'm going to have this in the description as well. So now what you want to do is you want to go into the A drive. You want to type in setup. And then you want to press enter. C Windows. Yeah. Yep. You want to choose your keyboard layout. I'm going to just choose the US keyboard because this is the US keyboard. So here you want to do Microsoft mouse, Buffalo Serial. This will get you the mouse. This will make the mouse work in VMware. So you just press enter, and now you gotta insert the build disk, which is disk 2. Now, thankfully, from the link that I provided, it actually tells you what disk it is. Like, it tells you the number, and it tells you what it is. So as you can see right here, it says disk 2 build. So this is the build disk, and you can easily understand that. So you want to put that in, and then now you have to put the displays disk in. So you want to obviously put in the displays disk. And yeah, this was a thing for the older Windows releases. You had to put in a bunch of floppy disks. And now you know, it just is like much more grateful that we just have to put in like one disk or one USB flash drive to install Windows. It's like really nice. So now what we want to do is we want to go and press C, or you can press the down arrow and then press enter, which is what I'm going to do. We're going to press the United States. If you want to use a different language, you might have to use the fonts 2 disk. So yeah, but we're gonna use fonts 1 because yeah, we don't really need fonts 2. So yeah, fonts 1 won't get used, I think. Yeah, it doesn't get used. So now it asks you for the desktop applications disk. So what you want to do now is you want to click on browse, and you want to go to desk apps, and you want to do that. You want to press enter. And now it will ask us to insert the Microsoft Windows write disk. Now for the Microsoft Windows write disk, you want to go over to floppy settings, and then you want to go over here, and then you want to put in the write disk, and then press enter. And yeah, there we go. So now what you want to do is you want to just press the down arrow, or you can press F, I guess. So you want to do that, and now what you want to do is you want to type in Win for Windows, or yeah. So that, and then you press enter. And there we go. Now we have Windows. So as you can see, this is Windows 2.0. You can go into the special menu, and we can go we can go into File, and we can go to About MS-DOS Executive. And you know, this is the MS-DOS Executive, Microsoft Windows MS-DOS Executive version 2.03. Yeah, this was released in 1987. So now what you can do is you can go to write.exe, for example, and you could type up a document. We'll type in, let's just type in, hello world, this is Windows 2.0 running in VMware, installed on May 9th, 2025. So yeah, May 9th, 2025 is when I installed this. This video should come out on May 11th, I think. So let's just call this, I don't know, we'll call this amazing document.wri, and then we can click OK. Not a valid file. Oh wait, is it? Okay, do we have to type in the extension or what? No. Oh wait, because you have to make it smaller. Okay, we're gonna call it amazing.wri. There we go. So now we can close it, and then we can go to wait, where is it? We can go to, I don't know where it went. This is not good. I was just trying to open up a goddamn thing. I didn't want it to just disappear. I think we can just go to open. Oh, amazing.wri. Amazing.wri is here. It just didn't load for whatever reason. But anyways, we have other things like abc.txt. This is the context of the file abc.txt. Yeah, that's really, really nice. Yeah. We got calculator. It's calculator. It has this mouse cursor. We can do, I don't know, 2 plus 2. Okay, okay, we just made it a -2. No, we don't want to do, this is the equal sign. Oh my god, it got it right. It's 4. Okay, anyways. We can go to like about calculator, version 2.03, copyright 1907. So now we can, just close out of the calculator. And we can go into calendar. And, we have a nice little calendar. Let's say at 8 a.m. we want to edit a video. And let's say at 9 a.m. we want to uh, upload the video. And then let's say that at 11 a.m. we want to record a new video project and record a new video, and we can just make it edit a video. We can make work on homework or something. We could put like finish the video, and it's just really stupid. We could like save the file too. We could call this May 9th and save, and then close out of it. I wonder what file format this uses. But anyways, we have the card file. Oh my god, it's a card file. This is a card file. I think this is just Notepad, but with a card. But with a card. To be honest, this is really cool. This is really really cool. And you can see in the card we have add. We can add a new card. We can call it me. This card is called me. And we could close out of it. About card file. This is obviously 2.03, but we can close out of the card file. Yeah, that's whatever. We can go into clock because this is no, not clipboard. I don't want to go into the clipboard. We can go into the clock, which is a clock. I mean, yeah, it's really really cool. We can go into control, which is the control panel. We can, I don't know, installation, setup, preferences, screen colors. Oh, you can change the colors. So yeah, you can change the colors to whatever the hell you want. Let's say we want to make this red. Application workspace. Let's say we want to make that. Say we want to make it that. Window background. Let's say we want to go full dark mode with that, huh? Let's say we want to go absolute dark mode. Yeah. So window text. Let's say we want to make it absolute. Let's say we want to keep the dark mode. That's the menu bar. Let's make the menu bar. Let's make it. This nice little color right here. The menu text. Let's change the menu text to yeah, let's keep it that, I guess. Okay. So yeah, let's just make like a new theme. There we go. There's the nice new theme. It now has dark mode, and this is really really nice. So yeah, we have everyone's favorite game. We can open up MS Docs Executive again. We can have it inside of the MS Docs Executive, and then we can have all of our new files like amazing.wri. We can have everyone's favorite game, Reversi. Yeah, this is everyone's game. This is everyone's favorite game, right? So as you can see, we got absolutely Reversi. Really really nice Reversi. Just saying. Yeah, Reversi is pretty. It's pretty cool. Yeah. I mean, what can I say? It's Reversi. Can you believe it? But yeah, anyways, sound is working too, like the bleeps. We got new fonts. We got Win.com. This just opens up the MS DOS Executive again. So yeah, that's basically all we got. What if we like close out of this? Can we like close out of this? This will end your Windows. Oh yeah, that just ends your Windows session. And if we go back into Win, then there we go. We go back into Windows. Really really nice. So yeah guys, that's basically going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video.